Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a Bobby Burns slash Nasty Boy makeup tutorial. I'll put pictures in like right now and I'll show you what the design is, but it's right here on my phone. You can't really see it, but it's gonna be an interesting look. Okay, so we're in luck. My new microphone that I have is working. So I already have makeup on, just on my eyes. Ow, my earring just got caught on my piercing, or my, whatever. So I already have makeup on, but it doesn't really matter since, you know, we're just gonna literally go over my eyes in black and like eyeliner. So it doesn't really matter. So let me see which brush I'm going to use that I don't use. I think I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with the Naked 2 palette in Blackout, which is literally just a black. And go over, let me see, because he has his eyes a lot like this, but it looks like he has it all the way on his, under his eyes and on his eyelid, pretty messily too. Just love school supplies because I got this for like $2. Ooh, all of them are falling. So I'm pretty sure this might be the purple one, which I hope that doesn't really matter because I hope it just, oh, this is gonna feel weird. So I did have a whole bunch of like mascara wands. I don't know where they went. It was perfect for this video too, I just don't know where they went at all. But let's just, hopefully this works. Oh my goodness, this feels so disgusting. Look how insane that looks. Oh, I hate the feeling of this already. And I need my setting powder, so I have the Airspun setting powder for when this dries. Oh, that feels wrong. You have no idea how that, ew. So, do I have a red? This is like a pinkish red though. Do I have a red? I know I have a red somewhere. Okay, this is red enough. I'm using the DLS matte. So first I'm going to go over, after I did the glue, I'm going to just pull my eyebrows up with a mascara wand, and then I'm going to powder it down with the Airspun. So then next I'm going to use like regular concealer and then regular orange concealer, and then blend that in and powder it down with loose setting powder. after everything is set, I'm gonna go in with black matte eyeshadow just to go over it one more time. And then I'm gonna start dabbing black eyeshadow under my like waterline and like where my bags are, I guess, and making it a little bit more dirty, a little bit more like he doesn't care about anything. And yeah. So then I'm gonna go over my eyebrows with a red matte-ish lipstick, and then I'm gonna go in with a cream face paint. So then start putting red above your eyebrows, so like it kind of goes with 3 lines right above the eyebrows, and then a red kind of dripping blood effect in the water duct question mark, and then put it on your lips for a dark red color.
Sticky slime dripping out the bends all over my neck, on my blade, on my bitch. Cold sticky slime dripping out the bends all over my neck, on my blade, on my bitch. Brush, down it, low, cut it, shit, all the choke. No, this ain't a fucking joke, fucking with these diamonds, oh hey. Cold sticky slime dripping out the bends all over my neck, on my blade, on my bitch. Cold sticky slime dripping out the bends all over my neck, on my blade, on my bitch. Leo looking fuck skinny bitch, but a fucking guy on a new coach and my ice like a.
So this is the look pretty much. I kind of messed it up when I was doing that little montage, but that's okay because I'm not going anywhere like this. So if you watch this, which you probably won't because I'm a pretty small channel, I love you and I love your music. And I'll see you guys next week, because this is, I have a pimple right there, don't look at that, but this is actually amazing. Like, I actually did this. I did this, guys. Is that okay? I don't know, but I did this. So I'll see you guys next week. I'm sorry that this took probably like 7 or 8 minutes of your time, but I love you guys so much, and see you guys next week. Bye.